Thank you for tuning in for another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations, and we're just gonna hustle up and get you an audio sample post Resto for this lovely old 2017 Blues Jr. Jay, this one's yours, buddy. Basically, expired power tubes due to having I would say hotter than average biases. These are known to come from the factory. I cooled that down for you. We got some new tubes, cleaned the pots, jacks, the whole thing. And I think she's sounding pretty nice. You guys out there, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do all that stuff. Tremendously helpful and allows me to do what I do. Bye.